But the most interesting part is still coming. China's final process is completely different from the USA's. Don't miss the quality test at the end. We are going to show the entire detailed process, from farm to bottle, unlike anything you have ever seen before. Are you ready? Let's reveal the USA secrets first, only on Secret Food Manufacturing. Modern USA harvesting machines can pick over 5,000 coconuts in just one single hour. The harvest is complete, and the bounty begins its journey to the factory.
Thousands of coconuts pour into a giant steel hopper, their rattling sound echoing through the facility. Fact: this U.S. factory uses 10,000 gallons of recycled water per hour for washing, ensuring zero wastage.
Now completely clean, the coconuts arrive at the dehusking station for precision processing.
A powerful vacuum extracts the pure coconut water, sending it to be filtered and packaged separately.
The shredded coconut enters the most crucial stage, the giant hydraulic cold press.
Fact: 50 tons of pressure squeezes out every last drop of pure milk from this coconut.
In the final stage, the aseptic packaging line operates at incredible speed. The pallets are immediately loaded into temperature-controlled trucks, ready for their journey. Get ready for something completely different. Let's see how China does it. Fact: China's mega farms use AI drones with thermal imaging to detect the perfect ripeness of millions of coconuts.
Hundreds of skilled workers on automated carts rapidly collect the ripe coconuts across the vast plantations. Fact: a single Chinese mega factory processes an unbelievable 500,000 coconuts every 24 hours non-stop.
Fact: can pierce and drain 100 coconuts simultaneously in just 3 seconds.
Fact: super-fast AI cameras scan 5,000 pieces of coconut fresh milk per minute, instantly rejecting any imperfections. Fact: colossal twin-screw extruders squeeze out 10,000 liters of thick coconut milk every single hour. The extracted milk goes into giant silos, where high-speed mixers homogenize it for a perfectly smooth texture. Lasers apply labels instantly, each can perfectly marked and ready for distribution.
Fact: China's hyperspeed bottling lines can fill, seal, and laser label 1,200 cans of coconut milk per minute.
Instead of humans, AGVs and robotic cranes lift thousands of pallets in seconds, loading them into shipping containers.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitor concepts, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using Super Grok, Meta AI, Grok Ai, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or use any other creator's content. This video is informative only and does not present AI visuals as real footage.